Hey, John Cristani here. I have a super exciting marketing method to share with you that just got me over 1,000% ROI today. Now, as you can see on my screen, I made over $9,000 today, and anyone can do this method. All you need is a cell phone. And I'm gonna share with you the step A to Z right here on my computer. As you see, it's sending text messages and make money. And I'm gonna show you the A to Z process for how you can send text messages and make this sort of money. And then I'm gonna show you how to do this in a massive way. And then I'm gonna show you how you can expand beyond any possibilities to audiences that don't even know of you yet and make money doing this the way I am. So buckle in, make sure you get yourself in a room, preferably on a desktop computer. I have some really exciting marketing magic to share with you. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? Now, first off, I'm super excited about this because as you see, over $9,000 right here, all the way on up with this one account that I have on ClickBank. I didn't think I was gonna make this much money, but it's pretty exciting. As you see, I sent 16,000 text messages. I've actually have a 4-day sequence sequenced out just because this is working so well and I'm just doubling down on everything. But as you see, 16,000 text messages, and that cost me, each text messages cost me 5 cents each, which means I just made over 1,000% ROI today on sending text messages. So let's dive right into this method. I'm gonna share with you first the process of how do you make money sending texts. Okay, and we're going to be following along on the resource document. So if you are not aware of the resource document, go to johncristani.com/resource. Okay, johncristani.com/resource, and I'm going to be following along with you. As you see, this is a new method for 2021, and you just go down to the text messaging section, and I have a step-by-step walkthrough. But I'm going to show you every single step right here on my computer, so you can follow along, so you don't miss a heartbeat when you're applying this. So, and I hope you do. And if you're going to take action, just type in "hoorah" in the comments below if you're going to go out and try to make money using this marketing method. Okay, so the first thing is you want to sign up for clickbank.com, and clickbank.com is what's called an affiliate network, which means people like me put their products and educational courses and trainings and whatnot on here. I'm a skilled, marketer, so that's what I teach on ClickBank. But we put our courses on here, and anyone can sell them and make money. And there are thousands of people doing so. And I'm just going to show you. So you want to go right up here to where it says sign up, and you just click that sign up button right there. Okay, awesome. So the next thing is you want to go over to the marketplace. So once you're logged in, there's a little link that says marketplace right up here. It's kind of small. If you're looking on your mobile phone, it might be a little bit hard to see. Let me zoom in on this a little bit. As you see, marketplace right there, and you click there, and when you're in there, you want to type in super affiliate system, okay? And that'll allow you to search for my product, or you could type in John Cristani. Either way is going to get you to my product, okay? And here you see we have my product, the super affiliate system. And don't be confused by all of the other products. So you have like all these other gobbledygook. But with my program, you earn $692 on average every time somebody gets a sale. And that's how I was able to do this, by promoting my product through text messages to people who barely even have heard of me before. I don't know, I've shown a lot of ads a lot of places. So my ads have been seen by a lot of folks now, but nobody knows it's me. And over $692. And have you seen my infomercial? Have you seen my TV ads? Let me know if you have. So the next thing is we want to click the button that says promote, okay? Promote right here and that'll get us to our links. And you'll see we have some links up here. And what you want to do is your affiliate ID, which are also your account nickname is what they call it. I don't know, the good old Idaho boys, will show up right here, and you want to click this button, Generate Hop Link. And it'll generate a link for you right here. And this link is how you make money. Okay, this is how affiliate marketing works, is when people buy from this link, you make money. And it's very easy, very scalable business model. You can click this button, and we just copied our link. Okay, we can highlight it like this. Now the next step we want to do is a little more custom. So as you see, we're already down here on step 6. Okay, the next step is go to tinyurl.com, and we can just go to tinyurl.com, and as you see, you enter a long URL to make a tiny URL, and as nobody wants to click on this long URL, and it's going to take a long time to send a text, so we just click tiny URL right there, and this is our output. Okay, and this is what we want to copy so that we can make money. So we're going to copy this, and I'm just going to copy it to my little notepad right here. Remember, go to johncristani.com/resource. So I like to use Notepad, so I just save it right here, and this is what I'm going to be sending out to folks. Okay, so let's go back to the steps, because I'm even forgetting. Okay, so then, yeah, all you do is you use one of my example messages here, and these are the messages, these are the actual messages I am sending out in Call Loop to actually get people to buy. And I just found a list of 15,000 people, and I sent a bunch of texts out. So let me show you how you can do this and make money. The first text is, here is the link you asked about. Link. This has been a blessing for me and my family. Okay, so the very last step is copy and paste text 1 and replace your link with the URL. Now, a lot of people get stuck on this step. I know I did when I started doing marketing. I said, what, how the heck do I just put my link in the brackets, or what do I do? And what you want to do is you want to actually replace the whole link. See, I'm copying this link. You don't want the brackets in there. You want to replace the whole link, so it should look like this, okay? And then you just send the message. It's that easy, okay? That's all there is to it. You just copy the message, you copy your link where it says link, and then you just send the message. And you do this over and over and over again using the manual method to whatever phone numbers you have. Because again, every message, every link you get out there is a chance to make money, 1,000% ROI. And this is even better if you have unlimited texting. It just works. Now, as I promised you, I'm going to show you a way to do mass individualized texting, because that process, it only took us a few minutes, but still it's a bit of a tedious process to send things over and over and over and over again. And you want to be more effective with your time. So I'm going to show you how to do mass individualized texting. Now, for this method, you'll want to go download the app called Hit 'em Up. Hit up that like button for me and subscribe to this channel if you are excited about new marketing methods and ways to make money that are actually working right now, right here in 2021. Please just spank that like button for me, and let's get going. Now, I told you I was going to show you how to send mass individualized texts, because sending all those manual text is really time consuming, and you probably don't want to spend your time doing it. You probably just want to send your text to everybody at once. And what's great is you can use this app called Hit 'em Up, which is free. It's free on the Android and Apple iPhones. There is a trial, it's 7 days, but it's all right, because we're just going to go through everything here, and you never have to enter a credit card anyway. So you just download this app and then delete it a day later after you send out all these texts and make a lot of money. Okay, so what you do to send mass text is you want to, after you install the Hit 'em Up app, and again, you can go to this site to get it, and it's also on the resource file in step 9, is you're going to download this, and then you're going to select all contacts. And then what you do is you want to click this button, because everyone, I don't know, have you ever received one of those mass texts where there's like 50 people on the text message and you're like, this is obviously spam, right? We've all gotten that before, and we ignore those messages. We say nobody would actually CC 50 or 500 people on a text message. So that's why we're going to personalize it. So every text is individual, and you're going to click first name. So that way every time you send a message, each person will get their own individual one based on their name. Okay, so you click first name into the beginning of the message that you send. And let me show you what it looks like if you do that. So it would look like this. First name. Here is the link you asked about, and then you put your link in. This has been a blessing for me and my family. Okay? So that's all you do, and you select all and you send. And when anybody sends you back a message and says, hey, what is this? Are you spamming me? Did your phone get hacked? Just say, oops, I meant to send that to somebody else. Or you could just say, oh, oops, my phone got hacked. I don't know, whatever you want. You can brush it off any other way, but the fact of the matter is there are going to be lots of people in your contacts that are interested in the product that there is to offer. Again, these products and these web pages are built to be intriguing and to sell. Okay, so and again, it's just an individual text message. So even if you're a little worried about the social stuff, who cares? It's all virtual. We're trying to make some money here. Let's just go get it. And so you can makes that money and then invest it into some advertising and join my course and learn how to do advertising or whatever. But the point is, get money and improve yourself. But the first step is, it's important to get money. Now, next step, I told you, is maybe you want a way to get more phone numbers. Maybe you're saying, okay, you know what? I can send a message to all my contacts, but what do I do if I need more phone numbers? Okay, where are they? Where? Now, I'm going to show you some resources where you can find lots of phone numbers. There's a lot of easy ways you can go out there and, do marketing and get people to opt in. But we're not going to go over any of that complicated stuff that requires web pages. What we're going to go into is hardcore, just straightforward, where are the phone numbers? Because we want some, and we want to send some texts and get a hold of this 1000% ROI that is going on right here. Okay. So if you want text message lists, there are lots of, what you can do is you can search for public data breaches, okay? Public data breaches, as you see, all this information is fairly public now, if you know where to search for it. Okay, so as you see, your personal information is being exposed every day by these tech companies. They don't care about you. They don't care about their security. Again, what do you think they're doing? They're out there trying to make a buttload of money, right? Zuckerberg buying his own island and stuff like that. Okay, that's what these guys are doing with your private data. So, it's your data. Let's get it back. So Facebook got breached, 533 million users. Okay, one class, Blue Kai, 2 billion people's information was leaked. 5 billion, I mean, this is just retarded. 26 million LiveJournal users. And all of that data can be found on places such as raidforums.com. And if you go to the databases section, what you'll see that there's over 9 billion different records that have been leaked. Now, there's many duplicates in here. Obviously, there's not even 9 billion people in the world, but that's because people have multiple email addresses and what have you. And as you see here, each of these, you have the Florida voter database here, you have, a Muslim dating site, you have MySpace, 360 million records were breached and leaked to the public in 2008. You have an absolute crazy amount of data, and there are a lot of websites similar to these that show off the data. Again, in America, where I'm based, it's illegal to use that information for any marketing purposes. And I'm pretty sure in most countries around the world, it's illegal to use that information. But the point I'm saying is there are lots of phone numbers out there. If you're looking for people's information, how you can text people or where you can get lists, there's lots of it out there. All you need to do is connect the dots. And what I use for text messaging, I use Call Loop. I really like Call Loop. It's SMS marketing, and it only costs about 5 cents to send a message. Now, I just sent 16,000 messages. Now you times that by 5 cents, and I spent $800 on texting, and I was able to make back, where's my ClickBank? Where's that ClickBank? Oh, here it is. I was able to make back over $9,000 today in one account, and that's just absolutely mind-boggling bonkers. I love showing off these techniques, and again, you have a proven way to do this. You just need to go out there and just duplicate what I have done and do it over and over. I don't know if you've known, but over $4.5 million has been paid out by me to all of you awesome subscribers to date. Okay, so millions of dollars have been paid out to you guys for applying these crazy marketing methods that I just kind of sit here at my computer and I come up with. So I'm really excited to have you as a viewer on my channel. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, make sure really just hit that like button for me. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. They hate me. And also subscribe to this video, and I'll talk to you more in the future. Have a good one. Goodbye.